Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This phone is making waves even before its official launch, with tons of details being spilled. Let's break it down. Before we dive into the Pro XL, let's quickly recap what we know about the entire Pixel 9 series. We're expecting the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, and of course, the star of today's show, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. A major change this year is that all models are rumored to come with Android 14 out of the box, instead of the usual new Android version. Google seemed to be speeding up its release cycle. Alright, let's talk specs. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is shaping up to be a beast. We're looking at a massive 6.8-inch OLED display with a super high brightness of 3000 nits. That's impressive. Under the hood, we can expect the powerful Google Tensor G4 chip paired with the Titan M2 security chip. This combo promises top-notch performance and security. RAM is generous at 16 GB, and storage options range from 128 GB to a hopping 1 TB. Price-wise, we're hearing a starting point of $1,100 for the base model, going up to $1,200 for the 256 GB variant. But here's the kicker. There's a rumor of a free upgrade to 512 GB storage for early pre-orders. That's a sweet deal. Now let's talk cameras. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to have a triple camera setup on the back. The main sensor is rumored to be a 50-megapixel Samsung GNK with OIS, promising excellent image quality. We also have a 48-megapixel ultra-wide and a 48-megapixel 5-periscope telephoto lens. This camera system looks incredibly promising. Up front, there's a 42-megapixel selfie camera for all your stunning selfies. Google seems to be really pushing the megapixel count this year. One of the most exciting aspects of the Pixel 9 series is the integration of AI. Google's Gemini AI is powering some incredible features. Pixel Studio is set to be a game changer, allowing users to create stunning images with AI assistance. But that's not all. The Revagine feature is mind-blowing. You could literally transform objects in a photo. Imagine turning a road into a river or a car into a spaceship. The possibilities are endless. In addition to Pixel Studio and Revagine, we can expect an AI-powered weather app that will provide personalized outfit recommendations based on the forecast. How cool is that? And there's also Screenshot Search, which will let you find specific screenshots using natural language prompts. It's like having a personal search assistant for your photos. While we haven't seen official renders of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, you have some images of the Pixel 9 Pro. The design looks sleek and modern. The display is expected to be a visual treat with its high resolution and brightness. We can't wait to see the full package. So there you have it. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse. With impressive specs, cutting-edge AI features, and a rumored stunning camera system, it's definitely a phone to watch. Of course, these are all leaks and rumors, so take everything with a grain of salt. We'll have to wait for the official launch on August 13th to get all the confirmed details. What are your thoughts on the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Until then, take care.